What will happen if people stop cutting down trees? How will the climate change? Deforestation is not only an environmental issue, but also a question of our future. Welcome to the What If Lab channel, and let's explore together what changes await us. Forests play a critical role in absorbing carbon. According to Global Carbon Project data, forests absorb about 2.6 billion tons of carbon each year. This helps mitigate the greenhouse gas effect that contributes to global warming. Research from the U.S. Forest Service shows that increasing forest areas can reduce air pollution levels in cities by 20 to 30%. This is crucial for public health, especially in densely populated areas where respiratory diseases are common. Additionally, forests help reduce soil erosion, retain moisture, and regulate groundwater levels. For example, in Brazil, reforestation in the Amazon basin has improved water quality and reduced sedimentation. In Haiti, where forests were nearly completely destroyed, especially after devastating earthquakes and hurricanes, restoring forest areas has led to improved soil conditions and increased agricultural production. How will our climate change? In the past, deforestation has already had a significant impact on the climate. For example, in Europe, mass deforestation led to changes in microclimates and reduced biodiversity. Forests have always been climate regulators, and their destruction has affected ecosystems. If people had recognized the importance of forests back then, we might have avoided many climate problems today. If deforestation stops, climate forecasts will be more optimistic. Forests help combat global warming, and their restoration can significantly reduce carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, creating a more stable climate and potentially helping to lower global warming by 0.51 degrees by 2100. This could prevent numerous climate disasters, such as severe floods and droughts, which are already becoming more frequent. Statistics show that about 13 million hectares of forest are cut down each year, equivalent to the size of Greece. Of these, about 1.5 million hectares are cut down illegally. This not only threatens ecosystems, but also contributes to social conflicts and economic losses. According to the UN, forests are home to 80% of terrestrial biodiversity. Each year, about 10,000 species of animals and plants disappear due to habitat destruction. For example, orangutans and tigers in Indonesia and Malaysia are threatened by the clearing of tropical forests for palm oil plantations. Stopping deforestation will lead to the return of endangered species and the maintenance of healthy populations of animals and plants. For instance, in the Kaholau National Park in Hawaii, where forest restoration is actively taking place, there has been an increase in local bird species. However, wood is used for building houses, bridges, and other structures, as well as for furniture, paper production, energy, crafts, and many other industries. There are alternatives to wood that can reduce our dependence on forests. For example, bamboo grows 3 times faster than wood and has high strength. Recycled materials, such as plastic and metal, are also used in construction. These materials are already being used in building houses and furniture. One of the most exciting developments is 3D printing houses. The use of 3D printers in construction is actively developing and allows for the creation of sustainable and affordable homes without using wood. Changes are also happening in the packaging world. Instead of traditional paper, biodegradable packaging made from cornstarch is increasingly being used. These materials decompose naturally and do not harm the environment. Now let's talk about energy. Solar panels are not just a trendy option. They are a real alternative to traditional energy sources. They help us harness clean energy from the sun, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. We should also mention wind energy. Wind turbines are becoming more efficient and capable of generating vast amounts of electricity. This is a great way to harness the power of nature for our needs. In fact, in almost every area, humanity will find alternative ways to replace something. Of course, there's no need to completely abandon wood, but we must value our nature and allocate resources wisely. Each of us should think about how we can help preserve forests. Share your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the What If Lab channel for more interesting topics. Thank you for watching.